I've been on top for a while. Now it's time to chip it to the moon.
No foreign lives. Hold on. I was thinking about that. That's weird though, how they got two windows before the other one had, it was one big window. But we still facing the courtyard. Nice big closet. This one. You said which side?
So you want your desk on?
Maybe this. I don't know, it doesn't matter to me.
What we both doing?
But the way my desk is gonna be, I want to sit this way. They're gonna have to raise the chandelier. Your head's gonna hit it. Oh yeah. But yeah, this is the our TV can go up there. Yeah.
Facing this way, so it's gonna come out about right here.
And we can put our bar stools right here.
So it's gonna be weird.
Side.
We screwed it on to the right side.
Yeah, we just gotta unscrew it and screw it.
That'll work.
Yes. Again, why isn't it one big window? Why is it two?
Because we on the top. Like, usually you'd be able to still walk down. Like, you remember we was coming up this way? It's coming up this way, and it was like a dead end right there, and we had to go right. Usually you'll be able to keep walking through. You feel me, past the garage, like we did on the 4th floor. Because it came up and came all the way through. But at the top floor, these don't have 5th floors. The only 5th floor is this little. It's the only part that got a 5th floor.
Looks nice though. I like it. Turn this right on. Nice big closet. This light don't work. Oh. Yeah, I like this one. It's alright. Sorry. And then I guess it's brighter in here.
I just want to less family space.
Nah, it's the same exact thing.
So today is Wednesday. It's the day before we move. So far, this is what our apartment looks like. It looks a mess. Shit everywhere right here. It's just, you know, we got, this area looks fine, but as soon as you turn around, there's just stuff everywhere. I don't know. All this has gotta go away, but we need to, dark. But basically, it was kind of empty, but it's back in there. But we need to clear it out. We gotta clear this area out. We're gonna do that between tonight and tomorrow. Tomorrow is move-in day. Gotta just pack up all this stuff, pack up our room. I gotta put all this stuff in a box or something, put it away. It's just a lot of stuff to do. I'm tired. I've been working all day. I started on finishing some packing and straighten up some stuff. And then I'm gonna eat and just kind of handle some stuff tonight so that it can be done. After that, I'll start putting stuff away in our new apartment. I'll try to get some more shots of me packing and unpacking and stuff like that. So keep watching and like this video. All right, bye. Hey, babe. You just got our key. Taking much longer for us to do everything, like just to get our stuff in the truck. We just got a little flatbed type pickup truck. We didn't get a full moving vehicle because we didn't need it. We were going not far from our old apartment, and we mainly got it for big stuff. So I hate sorry. The car is so annoying when it comes to this phone. Like, I need a mouse. Out here. It's closed. So yeah, we're about to move this stuff. We're gonna go ahead and get out. I'll check back in with y'all in a little bit. So currently, I am in the house. We've so far moved in a lot of our heavier things. Like we have our bed frame, which is over here. Bed frame, TV stand, and our drawers that go in our bed. If you're wondering where this bed is from, it's from IKEA. I'm trying to fix the internet. After I fix the internet, then I'm gonna go back to our old apartment to get some more stuff. My husband went to see one of his friends for a little bit. He needed to take a break, and honestly I do too, but my mind is telling me to keep working. A lot of stuff for me to do, for us to do, but it'll get done eventually. It'll get done. Hey, kitty. Hey, so I'm back at our old apartment. We are trying to move the rest of our stuff. I'm gonna prop y'all somewhere and wipe off this stuff on the wall. I'm about to use this pink stuff to clean. It's this. I know y'all seen it.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone.
The weeks.
What am I supposed to be grabbing?
The prep and delivery dishes. If you grab them,
So I'm back in the car. We are almost done. I promise we're almost done. Waiting in the car for my husband to come back. We're about to go to get more stuff. I am just now leaving the gym. I have not vlogged all day. I'm sorry. I've been worked half the day. And then when I got off work, I went to return my keys to my old apartment because today was the official day of our move out. And then I went to the gym. About to eat this banana. Try not to eat another like chip snack because I had chips earlier. So I'm gonna eat my banana. And I'm about to go to the store. I have to return something to Target. So that's what I'm doing now. About to drive to the store. I'm tired of going to the store. I'm tired of spending money. When you move, I don't know why, but you always spend a bunch of money. A bunch of money I don't need to be spending. Sorry, I'll fix my camera in a second. I hate when it does that. Yeah, so I'm about to go to the store and return this. But I'm not going to be doing much after. I don't even know if I'm going to vlog at the store just because I'm going to run and run out.
changed today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I